Chandley back live in the Santa Tracker Room. A lot going on right now. And remember, we're going to have a video chat with Santa while he's in flight. All that coming up next, as well as an update on our Christmas snow. Christmas Eve to you and your family. Exciting time here. We have snow in the forecast. We got Santa stuff. Man, it's just great, isn't it? 47 degrees, kind of calm right now. Humidity 36%, and nothing going on tonight. No problems whatsoever. It's once we get into Christmas Day that we start seeing the potential for some snow and the likelihood of snow. So let me stop the clock here at 8 a.m. Now you're waking up tomorrow morning, cloud cover, yes, maybe even a little peak of sunshine down on the south side, and you're going, what snow? Well, hang in there because the systems will kind of converge with one another over the day on Saturday. And so as we run this model, look at this. By 1 o'clock Saturday, we're looking at some rain showers out here. And I think that's what's going to happen in the metro area. We're going to start with rain first. They're going to get all snow well up to the north, and then we'll see a change over here by sunset and beyond. And so if our accumulating snow in the metro area right now, light, talking about grassy areas, a trace, maybe on the decks in your back porch and so forth, is going to be really Christmas night and beyond on into early Sunday morning. The problem is all this is falling now nighttime and on into Sunday morning. Well, it's going to stay around because the temperature is going to be falling down into the 20s. In fact, we're even going to squeeze out a few more flurries with the cold air come Sunday morning. So let's talk amounts across the region. Up here in this area, shaded in the blue, this is the area under the winter weather advisory from early tomorrow right on through early Sunday, and that's where we're going to see up to 2 inches. Now, it doesn't mean everybody in this map is going to see 2 inches. It means that possibility is there with higher amounts up here in the North Georgia mountains. Metro area, south of I-20, I still think you're going to see some snowflakes. You just won't see the big accumulations that they'll have up here to the north. And they're going to get those because it's going to snow there first, and it's going to snow there longer, and it's going to be colder. So that's why we're going to see the accumulations up here to our north. So look at our map here. As we roll the clock right on through your Saturday, you start really accumulating up here Saturday afternoon, Blue Ridge, Blairsville, Hiawassee, onto the mountains of North Carolina, and you see just kind of a trace to a dusting across the northern suburbs, and then that is going to drop southward through your Saturday night. Now, as far as temperatures go, tomorrow, as you start your day, we're going to fall down to the 30s tonight, and then we're going to kind of rise back up into the upper 30s and low 40s. The precipitation starts, it'll start cooling the air. I think it'll stay in the 30s, probably mid and low 30s up here to our north. And then quickly, and I mean quickly, comes Saturday night into Sunday morning, we're going to drop off dramatically down into the 20s across the region. So anything that's out there that has fallen is going to stick around. Anything on the roadways that's liquid by Sunday morning is going to freeze. So that's going to be a concern come Sunday morning. Let me show you what's going to happen as far as your forecasted highs now. On Sunday, you're going to see temperatures back up into the upper 30s to near 40. Here's your 5-day forecast now, and you can see that snow. And I think I'm hearing something out of Santa Tracker Room. I'm going to get to that while you're looking at your forecast. Oh, this is exciting. There you go. You got your snow in here on Christmas Day, and then you've got the windy conditions. There it is. Can you hear that, folks? There's something going on. Look at your 5-day. And you're going to see a warming trend, though, by Wednesday and Thursday. But in the meantime, the deep freeze big time. There's your fishing forecast and a couple peak periods there. If you like to do that sort of thing on Christmas Day, you certainly got the times to do it, especially later on in the day. All right, so we're into the Santa Tracker Room. Man, we got a lot of stuff going on. Y'all have activity for us? Yes. New information. Lauren says he is coming, and Caroline's got information. Catrice, Leah, Lynn, we got them all here, and we're excited because this year we've worked something out through the technology to be able to talk with Santa while he's in flight. How about this? Here we go. We're going to, I got Santa's phone number. We've talked to him in the past, but this year, something a little bit different. So let me plug his number in there, and let's see what we can get. Santa?
Ho, ho, ho! On Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen.
Santa!
Yes, David Chandley, is that you?
It is. This is so cool. You got your phone mounted?
Yes, I've got a high-tech sleigh these days. The phone's sitting there looking straight at me.
Well, where are you?
I'm up in Canada, working my way down the East Coast.
Now, I got you coming into North Georgia right around 11 o'clock or so.
Yes, sir. That should put me into the state. Can't wait to get down that way and deliver the toys to my children.
Now, are you coming from the north or the south this year?
I'll be coming in from the north.
Wow, and reindeer all right?
Yes, the reindeer are doing wonderfully. You know, I keep Donder and Blitzen up close to the sleigh so they don't act up.
Well, thanks for talking with us there, Santa.
It's great to talk to you, David. Can't wait to get down your way.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, man, how cool was that? Was that cool? Oh, that was unbelievable. Santa's heading to North Georgia, folks. We want you and your family, from all of us here at Channel 2, to have a very Merry Christmas. We'll update the snow risk and the temperatures here before the top of the hour.